In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at associative arrays in PHP. Now, associative arrays allows us to use strings as the key. Earlier, we covered simple arrays where the key was basically an integer, and here in associative arrays, we'll be making use of strings as index values. So this basically comes in handy when we are working with some objects in PHP. Here you can consider a scenario where we have student names and their cities. So what we'll do is we will be using the names of students as key to access their city. Now, in order to create an associative array in PHP, we'll be actually making use of association operator. So here let's say declare students array, then I'll say array, and inside this we will have key value association defined. Now here both key and value will be strings. So student name, let's say John, and then the association operator, and then the value associated with this as New York. Next student will have Jenny, and then again the value associated with this is Ohio, and the other one we have James, and here we'll have the Texas. Now we have our array in place. We can make use of print r statement, and here I'll say students. Let's run this and see it in action. So there we have it. The first index position, as you can see, is of a string John, and here we have another one called Jenny, and then the third one James. Now in order to access a specific item from the associative array, we can simply make use of echo $student, and here I'll put the string. Let's say I want this string Jenny over here. So when I'll run this one, you'll see the output is coming as Ohio over here. That's the value associated with the string Jenny that we can see from here as well. Now, if we want to append some values to this existing array, associative array, what we can do is we can simply use the new string value, for instance Jack over here, and then assign the city. And now if I go ahead and echo out this one, it's going to be New Jersey. So let's have a BR over here just to bring the output, the new line, and there we have it, New Jersey. So this was an introduction to associative arrays. In the next lecture, we'll be exploring more forms of arrays in PHP.